Hello everyone, we are Aramid Communication Technology Co. Ltd. Today we want to talk about a very important metric in optical cables, which is the tensile strength that the cable can withstand. Yes, the tensile strength of optical cables is generally divided into long-term and short-term tensile strength. So what is short-term tensile strength? Well, short-term tensile strength usually refers to the force that the optical cable endures during installation.
Long-term tensile strength is the force optical cables endure over years. Short-term tensile strength requirements are usually higher. Reinforcement components affect tensile strength. Reinforcements are metal or non-metal. Discussing non-metal types, FRP and yarn. Yarn's advantages. The requirements for short-term tensile strength are higher. Do the reinforcement components in optical fibers and cables affect tensile strength? The reinforcement components of optical cables have a close impact on tensile strength. We can categorize the reinforcement components into two main types, metal reinforcements and non-metal reinforcements. Today we want to talk about non-metal reinforcements. Among non-metal reinforcements, there are two types, FRP and yarn. So what are the advantages of yarn? Yarn is widely used.
Today, we are mainly going to talk about non-metal reinforcements. Among non-metal reinforcements, we know there are two types, FRP and yarn. Yes. So, what are the advantages of yarn?
Yarn? People often see it used widely in the cable industry. Its main advantages are that it has a very high tensile modulus and a relatively low density. It is equivalent to its flexibility and strong, so it is widely used. In this cable industry, there are also some of our military industries. The bulletproof helmets, bulletproof vests, and high-temperature gloves we encounter actually use a large amount of this yarn material, which shows that its applications are indeed very extensive. Yes. All right, thank you everyone.